Hey there YouTube, Daryl Hammond here. DarylHammond.com is my website. Go there, check it out when you get a chance. I got lots of great stuff on there for you to see. So today we are doing a review video for a new product called DFY Bonus Suite. And sweet it is. This is a nice product. I'm pretty impressed with this one. Normally you see some of these products and they're just regurgitated BS from other launches, and this one, I feel this one is a valuable product, very much worth purchasing. Right now we are on my bonus page and we are going to jump inside what you're going to get when you purchase DFY Bonus Suite via any of the large yellow buttons right here on this bonus page, and the link to the bonus page is down in the description below this video. Right down there, just take a gander right down there. It's in the description. Click on it. It'll take you to this bonus page where you can click on any of these big yellow buttons and grab your copy of DFY Bonus Suite today. So we will go over some of the bonuses that I have for you momentarily. We're going to jump inside the product and take a look. But right now, let me ask you, do you have a website? If not, this is the product for you. What it is it's a WordPress theme that you can upload and create your own little website. He has all kinds of training available utilizing Elementor, which is a WordPress drag and drop builder that is very easy to use once you figure it out, but the biggest problem is trying to figure it out. I created my website with Elementor, and then we'll also compare that with what you're going to get. And I think you're going to find that this is going to be a really useful product if you don't have a website right now. I think it's going to be a very invaluable tool for you, so I would highly recommend picking this product up. So this is my website. I used Elementor to create it, and with Elementor you can do all kinds of great stuff, and the biggest problem is trying to figure out how to do it. So the nice part about this product is you're going to get a theme that you can upload onto a domain name, and then also he has all this training. I mean, aside from the fact that everything's pretty much pre-built, but he has all this training about how to use Elementor to customize this website to use as your own. So here we are on the dashboard, and as you can see, the main training page, that's where we're at. You're going to get instructions on how to install WordPress. He also shows you how to buy a domain name, and if you don't already have hosting, he goes over some different places to register a domain, some hosting companies that he recommends, also some research tools on how to find a domain name, and it's pretty useful. I actually use Namecheap. I find that it's nice because it gives the SSL certificate. It also gives you the whois, which kind of hides your information from the whole internet, so you don't get bombarded with a whole bunch of spam and stuff like that. Because if you don't have a whois set up on your domain name, then what happens is when you register, all of a sudden everybody and their brother gets to know that you just bought a domain and that you're the owner of this domain name, and then they can hit you with a whole bunch of spam and trying to sell you all kinds of different stuff, and it can get really annoying. Really advantageous to have a hosting company that provides all this stuff for you, and Namecheap is one of those companies, and I find that it is a very great company to have a domain name through and get your hosting through. And you can get unlimited domains, unlimited hosting on Namecheap for relatively cheap. There is a link below this page to Namecheap if you want to go ahead and take advantage of that kind of a deal. I find that it is probably one of the better hosting companies out there. I know everybody has their own opinion about this, but this is just where I have all my stuff done. So anyways, this is the dashboard in the training area. you're going to get a video about how to install WordPress, and then you're going to get this next video is importing the theme. You're going to get a video about the website overview, the website settings, how to edit the header and footer, editing the home page. You're going to get another video about editing bonus pages, how and where to find bonuses to offer your customers to help sweeten the pot for those affiliate offers you're trying to promote. He also goes over delivering those bonuses, utilizing Dropbox to do that. There's another video, Elementor Advanced, where he goes into a little more advanced options about how to use Elementor to create your web page or to edit your web page. And then also this kind of bonus video down here at the bottom about how to get ranked, some of the things you can do to help your ranking on your website. Also, if you didn't pick up any of the upsells when you first purchased this product, you can pick those up at any time after you've purchased the front end offer, and we'll go over the pricing funnel here in a second. There's also a Facebook group that you can join, and a lot of times those Facebook groups are very valuable. You can go in and ask questions, and you can get all everything that you have questions for. You can get help with those. So what you're going to get besides all this main training is you're going to get a theme. You can download this theme and then you can upload it. And so once you've purchased your domain, you have to upload a plugin called All-in-One, and once you've done that, then you just go over here and you import a file, and you find that file and it will import that, and we'll take a look and see what you're going to get once that's imported. Well, while we're waiting for that, let's go ahead and show you. This is what's going to load. You're going to get a site that looks just like this once you get that theme loaded, and each of these are different pages on that theme, or actually they're posts on the theme, and you can use these for each of the different products that you promote. And so you may end up getting a favorite one of these, but you have the option of all of these. You're also going to get an opt-in page and also a webinar page, so you can add those to your toolbox of things you can use to promote affiliate products. So I've just uploaded a theme onto a domain I have. So one of the first things you're going to want to do is change your password, because everybody's going to have the same login, and of course they're not going to know what domain you used, but if they happen to come across your domain in their searching, they're going to see a website that looks just like or similar to maybe theirs, and if you haven't changed your password and username on this, you're going to get hacked, because they're going to be able to use the password that came with the product and be able to log right into your website and be able to hack it and take over. You're not going to want to have that happen. So once you've changed your password, you're going to have all these great posts that you can edit with Elementor. Elementor allows you to edit any of these blocks, and that's the great thing about this. And so also in this product, you're going to get, Elementor is a plugin, and it's a page builder. There's a free version, but there's also a pro version, so there's a whole bunch of stuff that you have to pay for to access. And the nice thing about this product is he has a whole bunch of extra stuff that he has added into this plugin that allows you to have a whole bunch of similar stuff that the pro version offers, and you get it for free just for owning the product. And so that's one of the nice things about this product, is you're going to get all the training, you're going to get that theme, and you're going to be able to build a website, edit that website, and you're going to be able to use this theme for as many domains as you want. You're not limited to just one domain. You can actually use this theme on any of the domains you choose, have all kinds of different websites utilizing this theme. You don't rely on some third-party site to host your bonus pages, and then also it will limit the ability for someone to actually hack your bonus pages and get your bonuses without actually having to buy the product. some of the bonuses. Some of the bonuses are worth more than the products themselves, and so you're going to want to take measures to make sure that that is safeguarded against someone just going out and grabbing all your bonuses and not getting that, purchasing the product, because that's the whole reason why we're here, is to market other people's products, and part of that is offering bonuses. And sometimes, like I said, the bonuses are probably more valuable than the affiliate offer that you're marketing, and so some people will buy that offer just to get a hold of your bonuses, and if they've figured out how to get those bonuses without having to buy, then you're not going to make any money. So anyways, that is DFY Bonus Suite. Like I said, you're going to get all this Elementor training, which is highly valuable. It took me hours upon hours, probably a few days, to try to get through Elementor and get my original website figured out. So just being able to buy this product and upload a pre-built theme with Elementor as its foundation is very, very valuable. And all this training on Elementor, you can use it to build your own websites if you don't want to actually utilize this theme, but I don't think you're going to need anything other than this product for all your websites in the future. So let's jump back over to the bonus page. So DFY Bonus Suite combines a set of 4 professional WordPress bonus pages plus training to boost your customers' affiliate earnings when you promote affiliate offers from places like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, and other affiliate networks. This is the pricing funnel. That front end offer is only $16.95. You're going to really want to take advantage of this. Where can you get a full website all set up for you for only $16.95? That is crazy. So with the DFY Bonus Suite for $16.95, you're going to get full training on how to find a domain, how to get hosting, how to install WordPress with your new bonus website. You're going to learn how to easily import the 4 WordPress bonus pages. You're going to learn how to edit and customize those bonus pages. You're going to know how and where to get high quality bonuses. You're going to learn how to deliver those bonuses to your customers and how to use Dropbox to be able to do that. All right, upsell number 1 is $37, and that's going to give you the right to use Chris's previous 2 premium courses as bonuses for your own affiliate promotions. And those 2 products are YT Supremacy and WP Affiliate Suite. Upsell number 2 is building a list. It's $27. He's going to show you how to auto build an email list from those who buy your affiliate links. And the value in that is that these are buyers, and you can market to them, and they are more apt to buy your products in the future because they already purchased your products already. Upsell number 3 are resale rights. That is $67. You're going to get exclusive rights to continue earning commission on the front end offer even after the launch. So there you go. That is the pricing funnel. Let's jump on down and see what bonuses we have to offer for you. I am in a mentorship program called Ministry of Freedom. It is Jono Armstrong's premium class where he teaches you how to do affiliate marketing, and he offers these bonus pages to us to use, and that's why you're seeing his name down here. And I do have permission to use and give away all of these bonuses. These were offered to me to give to you if you purchase via any of the links on this page, and the link to this page is down in the description below this video. So the first bonus you're going to get is access to Atomic DFY, and you're going to only get that for the first 12 hours only. So you're going to want to take advantage of this as soon as this product launches. This product launches on August 3rd, early in the morning. So wake up, buy your copy, and build your website. Bonus number 2 are common web design mistakes. Jono goes over some of the common mistakes that people make when they're designing a website to help you avoid those and to make your website better. Bonus number 3 is Bing ads training. So you're going to learn how to drive traffic to DFY Bonus Suite or your website that you're going to build with this product. And you're going to learn how to use Bing to drive traffic to your website. And then bonus number 4, $267 value. You're going to get access to Easy Profit Secrets course, and that's going to help you boost your earnings even more. And then finally, bonus number 5 are all the bonuses that you're going to get from the vendor for this product. And like I said, click on any of these big yellow buttons. The link to this page is down in the description, just right down there below this video. Click on these buttons. It's going to take you to this sales page, and this is where you're going to be able to pick up your copy of DFY Bonus Suite, and you're going to want to get it right away. Like I said, the front-end offer is $16.95. It's a relatively inexpensive front-end offer, and you're going to get yourself a pre-made template for a website, and it's going to make building your website as easy as 1, 2, 3. So there you have it. My name's Daryl Hammond. I appreciate you stopping by, taking the time to watch this review video I have for you. Go ahead and click on any of the big yellow buttons on this bonus page. Go to that sales page. Pick up your copy of DFY Bonus Suite today and get your website and start earning some commissions. You can check out my website. It's darylhammond.com. Go ahead and click the subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you'll get notified of any more of these wonderful products that I do reviews on. Thanks for taking the time to check out my review and my bonuses. My name's Daryl Hammond. You have a wonderful day. We will see you later. See ya.